Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. It's September. Fall is in the wind. A whole new school year is starting, and we are starting a new month with some exciting new topics. This is Monday, our compass, where we get oriented in our new subject. Victoria, what have you got for us?
Well, we're going to set off on a whole new heading starting with this session this month. Last time, you may recall, I walked you through some of the basics of world building. How do you go about creating a world for your characters to live in? For today's compass, I'm going to introduce you to kind of a counterpart. Think of world building as the external pieces of your story, right? They're the scenery, the backdrop, the environment that your characters exist in. What we're going to start talking about now is what I like to consider part of the inner world of your story. It's something called narrative distance. So come back tomorrow and I'm going to walk you through 3 key points that are the hallmarks of narrative distance. And then we're going to start breaking it down over the next few sessions and talk about how you can use it and what it might mean for you. So no more spoilers, but that's where we're headed. Kathleen?
Oh boy, thank you, Victoria. I'm excited to learn about this whole new topic. Amazing. Well, we have another character trait to work on this month because it turns out that it really actually takes about a full month to totally explore all the ins and outs of a character trait, get used to writing with it, and be comfortable with it so that we can incorporate it into a character. Well, we're being pretty systematic as we go through our different character traits, if you haven't noticed already. This time we're going to be dealing with another character trait in the empathy group, and this one is courtesy. Whoa. Last month we had affability, courtesy, affability. Aren't they a lot alike? Come back tomorrow and we'll explore how that may or may not be true. See you then. Bye-bye.